Aye, it's grand, so it is. Oh, boys and dear, you're completely steaming. Catch yourself when you're EEJIT. What's that with yoke over there? That's us now. Bye, chat. Hi guys, KoreanBilly here. Today in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some more Belfast dialect words and phrases. The Belfast dialect is one of the most distinctive dialects in Northern Ireland, also known as Northern Ireland. Then let's take a look at some more Belfast dialect words and phrases. The first word is grand. Grand usually means large, right? But in Belfast, this word has another meaning. In the Belfast dialect, grand means great. So when you want to say that something is great in Belfast, you can use this word grand. And when something is really great, Belfast people also say like, it's grand so it is. They often put so it is at the end of the sentence to reaffirm or emphasize what they say. And it could be said in different forms like so I am, so it does, and so he is. Then let's take a look at an example sentence. Yeah, it's very great. Aye, it's grand so it is. Yeah, it's very great. Aye, it's grand so it is. The next one is boys are dear. Can you guess what it means? In the Belfast dialect, boys are dear means oh my goodness. This phrase is used as an exclamation of shock, sadness, or happiness. So when people in Belfast say boys are dear, they could be shocked or shockingly sad or shockingly happy. The next one is steaming. You might think of hot weather when you hear this word, but people in Belfast don't use this word to talk about the hot weather. That's not only because Belfast never gets extremely hot, but also because this word has another meaning in Belfast. In the Belfast dialect, steaming means drunk. So when people in Belfast say that someone is steaming, that doesn't mean this person is very hot. That means this person is drunk. Then let's take a look at an example sentence. Oh my goodness, you're completely drunk. Oh boys and dear, you're completely steaming. Oh my goodness, you're completely drunk. Oh boys and dear, you're completely steaming. The next one is catch your cell phone. This phrase could sound a bit strange and it's nothing to do with actually physically catching anything. In the Belfast dialect, catch your cell phone means don't be ridiculous. So when someone talks nonsense in Belfast, people say like, catch your cell phone. Then let's see how different it is. Hey, don't be ridiculous. Catch yourself when you're EEJIT. Hey, don't be ridiculous. Catch yourself when you're EEJIT. The next word is yoke. In the Belfast dialect, yoke means thing. So yoke can be literally anything. So in Belfast, you can say yoke instead of thing, like this yoke instead of this thing, those yokes instead of those things. People in Belfast also say some yoke as a praise. So when they say like, she's some yoke, that means she's a nice person. Then let's take a look at an example sentence. What is that small thing over there? What's that with yoke over there? What is that small thing over there? What's that with yoke over there? The last one is ats us nai. This phrase doesn't even look like English and it even looks like Japanese. Hi, ats us nai. Ats us nai is actually that's us now and it's been changed into a different form because of the Belfast accent. In Belfast, people use this phrase after they accomplish something or finish a task. For example, the situation could be like after getting a haircut, or after arriving somewhere after a long journey, or after a lot of shopping. Then let's see how different it is. Finally, I've finished it. Ats us nai. Finally, I've finished it. Ats us nai. Now we know some more Belfast dialect words and phrases. I know my Belfast accent is not perfect, but I hope this video would help you understand some more Belfast dialect. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!